Welcome. In today's video, we're going to explore how to add Snapchat face sticker filters to your snaps. These fun filters can transform your photos and videos, adding a playful touch that your friends will love. Let's get started on making your snaps even more exciting. Step 1. Open Snapchat. First, launch the Snapchat app on your Android device. Make sure you're logged in and ready to snap. Step 2. Take a snap. Open the camera and take a photo or video. This is the canvas for your creativity, so capture something fun. Step 3. Swipe through filters. Once you have your snap, swipe left or right on your screen to browse through the available filters. You'll find a variety of options to enhance your snap. Step 4. Select Face Sticker Filter. Look for the face sticker filters, which often include interactive elements like cute animal faces, funny hats, or quirky accessories. These filters add a unique flair to your snaps. Step 5. Apply the filter. When you find a face sticker filter you like, just tap on it to apply it to your snap. You'll see your face transform right before your eyes. Step 6. Customize and send. After applying the filter, feel free to move it around or resize it to your liking. You can also add other stickers or text to personalize your snap even more. Once you're satisfied with your creation, go ahead and send your snap to your friends. And that's it. Now you know how to add face sticker filters to your Snapchat snaps. If you enjoyed this video, make sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more fun tips and tricks.